Hey there, I've got a Sargent XC here. It's kind of like Assa Abloy's version of a Schlage Everest, where it's got 6 standard pins and then a check pin on the side, and it's fairly well made lock, decent machining. But the one thing that makes this lock interesting though is the check pin. The way it's implemented, it just seems so wildly over-engineered for the task. There we go. For the task it needs to perform. We'll take a look at it here in a second. And honestly, finding the check pin is the hardest part for me. There we go, should be right about there. It's this tiny, tiny little guy. Should be right there. Pick the pin tumblers in 10 seconds and 5 minutes just looking for a little button to push. So there's somewhere just a very slightly different feeling spot on the side of the keyway. I follow that up and find the pin. There we go. All right, so we'll go ahead and gut this without bumping the camera. So I'm gonna lock this back up because I do have the key. And this retaining pin is a pain in the butt. There we go. Look at that guy. It's a monster. Okay. That's my follower. So I'm using a follower with a hollow end here. There we go. So you can see it's got those classic rounded Sargent key pins that are kind of hard to keep your pick on. And I'm not even going to bother bringing the drivers out. They're just fully standard. Really what's interesting about this is this check pin. Look at this thing. So actually, you know what, I am, because I want to show I'm going to show the way it interacts with the housing here. So the pin just sits in that little hole, and when you push the button inside, it retracts. But if we can see through the keyway right here, this little tiny thing, see the pin down over here moving? Why in the world it needed to be like that, I have no idea. Like, I'm just speechless. I don't know why they did that, but that's what it is. That's the Sargent XC. Yeah, it's a pretty cool lock. Wanted one for a while, finally found one on eBay for a good price. All right, have a good day.